What's up, flowers? It's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, how you doing? We're gonna talk about these jeans that I made. You can't see them right now, and that's okay because you're gonna see them throughout the video. It's a cute DIY. I've been doing DIYs a lot lately. They've been passing my time, making me feel good. So I wanted to come and show you guys how I got these jeans. I'll post a picture somewhere, whatever. So if you want to go ahead and watch and find out how I did it, please keep watching. This is a baddie of all trades and provides. So we do fashion, hair, nails, makeup, all of that good stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, share this video with your friends, all of that good stuff. Tag me on my socials. I'm here to talk. I'm here to have fun. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, honey bunnies, we're using these Wrangler jeans from Amazon, these butterflies from Amazon. There are fabric, and then we're using the E6000 glue in the fabric fuse type because it's fabric to fabric. My little assistant is running in and out of the camera, so much so that eventually I had to go in the room, you guys. It'd be like that sometimes. So what I'm doing now is just placing on one leg where I would want everything, and I'm like telling her get away. She's like, I want the butterflies too. I ended up having to lock myself in the bedroom and do this, but that's okay. But I'm just trying to show you guys what it was like placing everything down and making sure it looked how I wanted to look. I was going for the effect to look like the butterflies were like almost flying up my leg. So on the bottom it's going to be less butterflies, and then that's going to go up into more butterflies when it hits the C crotch area. So as you can see, I'm using that E6000 fabric fuse, and I'm going ahead and I am just placing it in the back like a small little dot, and then holding that down until it presses into the jeans, and then leaving it there to dry. It didn't take really long to dry. Honestly, by the time I was done with the legs, only the top needed to be dry at the seat in the front of the pants. So what I did was I just left it maybe overnight just to make sure that nothing was going to fall off. And if I were to like right now pull it and yank it, they're not going anywhere, babe. They're not going anywhere. So I really wanted to wear this for the summer because I just thought it would be really cute to have them and throw them on. I've actually had these jeans for quite some time, so if I don't find them on my Amazon, and they will be linked in my storefront, which I'll link down below, it'll be a different version of them. I got these in a size 50 waist because I really wanted to make sure that they were big, and I think they're men's jeans as well. I wanted to get that really that good relaxed fit, and when you're plus size, it's a little bit harder. So this is what we're working with. This is how the first side of that leg looks, and then I go in off camera and I do the other side, and I try to match it as much as possible, but I want the butterflies to be all over the place and kind of look almost like a mistake. And these are the final touches that I'm doing to make sure that I didn't miss any of the butterflies. But yeah, then we are pretty much finished with the way that looks, and then next time I'm on camera, I'm going to show you how it looks. The finished product of the jeans, super cute. I love how they came out. These butterflies are not going anywhere, you guys. These jeans are actually at 50 in waist, so I did have to put some shoelaces in them just to make sure that they don't fall down and they do stay up. I did wear them, and I wore them with a bodysuit that kind of like showed my love handles, which I'll be honest was hard for me because my love handles is very much a soft spot for me, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly show y'all how I put them on, and so you can see how they fall and how they lay, but it's really just so you can see how much the butterflies like stay in place. Like they're not gonna go anywhere, they're not gonna fall off. The fabric is fused. You can wash it. I would recommend, because the butterflies are so soft, washing these jeans inside out, but you can wash them with all the rest of your jeans and everything like that. You just treat them like a regular pair of jeans, and I'm gonna just show you how they look. I feel like that's the vibe that I'm giving right now. So this is the final look of the jeans. Super cute, you guys. I really love them, and I hope you love them too. And I link everything where I got the butterfly, these jeans from Amazon, everything's from Amazon. So I'll go ahead and put it in my Amazon storefront so you guys can go ahead and make these for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.